Dear student, this is Shailesh Devidas Janbandhu, Assistant Professor from Department of BCom Computer Application, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. Today, we discuss about the writing program number 6 for generalizing the transaction in the book of Prashant for April 20 and prepare the balance sheet. For that, the transaction is start business with capital borrowed from his friend Satish. So, Prashant take a loan from Satish. For that, we make a journal entry, cash account debit because cash is coming into the business, to Satish account. Cash is by default account, so we should create the Satish account and under the group loan and liability and make the entry into F6 or voucher key F6. So, to make the entry, click on accounting vouchers. Here we are. Now we should create, we have the Satish account receipt, so credited is Satish account, Satish account of rupees 1,10,000, by cash 1,10,000 being business start with cash borrowed from Satish. When we create the Satish account, that time the group of Satish account is loan and liability. Again go to the accounting vouchers. Now second transaction for the example is bought machinery rupees 40,000. Here machinery is a fixed asset and fixed asset should be purchased. So bought, machinery account debit to cash account, machinery account should be created as a group fixed asset and the key is F5. So press F5, debit. What should be debited? Machinery account should be debited of rupees 40,000, by cash 40,000 being machinery purchase. So second transaction is completed. Now third transaction, and third transaction is related with the sale, sold goods for cash to Satish. Here transaction is sale but in the form of cash of rupees 25,000. So the cash account debit to sales account and the key for sales is F8. So press F8 button for sales, Control V, and who should be debited? Cash account. So cash account debited rupees 25,000. Credit sales account 25,000. Next one, fourth number, purchase goods from Somesh of rupees 30,000. Here the transaction is purchase in the form of purchase and the goods are purchased from the Somesh, means it is in the form of purchase. So purchase account debit Somesh account to Somesh account and Somesh is a sundry creditor. So press F9. So purchase account debit purchase. So press F9, Control V, credited. Who should be credited? The Somesh should be credited. So Somesh account of rupees 30,000. debit purchase account 30,000 being goods purchase on credit basis. Yes. Next one. Next transaction is related to purchase goods or bought goods for cash from Niti. Here the transaction is purchase but in the form of cash. So purchase account debit to cash account, both the account are already created. So press F9 on voucher creation screen. Who should be credited? The cash account should be credited. So cash account amount 26,000. Debit purchase account debit 26,000 being goods purchase. Next transaction, cash sale of rupees 10,000. So the general entry for the cash sale, cash account debit to sales account, F8 for the key, voucher key. So press function key F8 in sales voucher, control V, debit cash account rupees 10,000, sale 10,000 being cash sale. And last transaction for the example is sold goes to Manish. Here cash is not given by the Manish, so Manish is a debtor and we should take a money afterward. So the transaction is transaction in the form of credit basis for 8,000. So the transaction is, or general entry is, Manish account debit to sales account. Manish, we sell, Manish is a customer, therefore it is a debtor for company. So the transaction entry, press F8 button for sale, and who should be debited in the transaction? Manish. So Manish account, we don't have money, so alter C, Manish account, and Manish is a sundry debtor. For rupees 8,000. And credit the sales account being goods sold to Manish on credit basis. So all the transactions are completed. Press escape key to go to the gateway of Tally. Now we should show the balance sheet. So go to the balance sheet in report section and press enter. Here we get the balance sheet. Press Alt F1 to expand view. This is our balance sheet for the transactions which is made today. Now to print the transaction, press Alt plus P, make yes and save the balance sheet where you want. So this way we create the transaction, create a company, make the transaction and prepare a balance sheet for Prashant Company Limited.